Hey, this is Metal Steve. Here's an update. This is one of those word term update things. Apparently, hang on, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see my face when I say this. Apparently, they're not called construction workers anymore. Oh man, they're called tradesmen and women. Is this another battle fatigue, or am I going too far at this point? Calling shell shock and war wounds battle fatigue. Is that close, or have I totally gone off base at this point? I mean, they're up a ladder, they're on a crane, they're constructing something, they're working on it. Construction workers. What next? You can't even call them Mexican cuisine restaurants anymore? Honestly, what is this place? What the heck is this place? This is Metal Steve signing off. Later.